cooking gummy land.
Okay, let's open this.
Yeah! I'm super excited.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, I see. Look, guys. There's a snowflake, a Christmas tree, and a ducky, I think, a squirrel, and a fork.
Okay.
We have a storm one, a yellow one, a blue one, and a red one, and a video of water. And what does it mean? There's just one squeezer too. And these are the stuff to make the stuff. What is this? 1, 2, 3. What do we do?
So we have a red
The
color
red
powder,
One, the red one goes here.
yellow powder, and a blue powder.
You have to put them in the hole.
This is the gummy candy powder.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna make primary colors first.
keep-
What are our primary colors?
Red,
Blue?
blue, red, yellow.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so we have a dropper here, and we have a bowl of drinking water.
Okay, blue.
And we're gonna use the dropper to squeeze some water
Wait a minute.
in, oh, into this. 2, 3,
Wait a minute. Give it to me.
and right here.
Oh, I can start the bottom.
Okay.
Even here, I can see stuff.
All right, so you're gonna put the water.
Oh, it don't went up to the lines. Okay, there we go. I got some more one. That is the first yellow, second, and doing this for the he's the last, and he's really big.
Okay. Let's see how it says mix these primary colors.
Mix these primary color.
And we have a little fork right here.
I know that already.
We're gonna use this to mix the powder and water, okay?
I'm mixing water right now. Ooh,
Okay,
pasta.
let's put some yellow
Oh,
powder here.
wow. Uh-oh. Can I mix it?
Yep.
I smelled it. It smells like lemon, I think. I don't know. Okay.
So there's lemon, grape, and soda flavored.
What is it? I think that one is soda flavor.
This is grape. Next one.
But it's blue.
Okay.
It's ready. I'm gonna smell it.
And the last
It's like
one.
grape. Oh, I like the red one. The red one smells sweeter than lemon.
Alrighty.
Okay. I smelled it. It's
Smells good.
super good. I don't know about soda.
Okay, mix these 3 colors. We have 3 primary colors. Okay, so let's mix some of these colors to make different colors.
I want to put blue and yellow.
Okay,
I think it mixed.
blue and yellow. What does that make?
I'm gonna put the rest back, but I wanted to drink it. Actually, I want to put. No, I want this.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
Oh, you see how it turned green, right? And then you're okay.
I
let's
didn't
do.
smell that
Okay,
good.
how about yellow and
But-
red?
Yeah, I want to do blue and red this time.
Okay, blue and red. Okay.
Actually, red and blue.
Okay, blue and red make what?
That's too much. I'm gonna put the next.
Yeah, you have to. Because we're making different colors.
It's just spreading everywhere. Now, I think I want to use yellow.
Wait a minute, did you just do that?
No, I
Yes, you
used.
did. Oh no, never mind. Okay.
No, I
Ooh, orange.
Orange. The rest.
Okay,
Yeah.
now what else?
Blue and no.
Blue
Blue
and
and
red.
red.
You haven't done that. Yes.
That's blue. I'm gonna put it in the bottom. Here's the last one.
Blue, yeah. And red.
Ah, I almost dropped it in yellow. And red. Red doesn't look as much.
Ooh, ooh.
Purple.
Purple.
Okay,
Yay.
I can see my face in the bubbles. I'm gonna pop it. I cannot pop these bubbles.
How about red and white? This will be the white without anything. That's just water.
I'm gonna put yellow. Yeah. And
Yellow and
white.
okay.
It's yellow still.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna put some blue.
How about red and blue
Oh, look!
and yellow?
Look, it's it's light green.
Yes, it is light green. Uh-huh.
Oh, what is it? Blue?
Yellow and blue
Hey, why does
and red.
It looks like that. It was
Yellow and blue and red.
I don't. This one goes here.
Yes.
Oh, but it's dark green. Hey, what does the green?
How about the other one?
Why would we make old colors black?
Okay. Is it black? Oh, okay. It was supposed to turn brown, but I don't know what you did.
What's that?
Okay, so now we're gonna open this gummy candy powder.
Gummy powder. Gummy powder. Super Mario Luigi. Super Mario Luigi.
And we're gonna put it here.
In the middle.
In the
Oh,
middle.
that's what? It's like a white mountain.
Not in the middle.
I think it's a frosting. Look, I got the frosting.
Okay, and then you're gonna
Just
use
smaller than
this
these.
little fork and flatten it.
Okay,
Can you flatten it?
Okay, flatten it. Okay, look, it's done. It's nice and
Oh,
flat.
okay, that is not quite flat yet. Make sure it's flat. They have to be even, right?
Okay, there was just two colors missing, but we got black and
So we're now gonna put these molds into the
I
powder.
knew it. Like this.
Yes, that's a Christmas tree, right?
I want to put this
Snowflake.
weird one. I mean,
What is
square.
this?
No, that was a cherry, and I sent it to the people. I didn't know what it was, so I just sent something, but I forgot.
Okay.
It was a cherry. It was upside down.
All right.
I don't know.
Okay, so now we're gonna
Oh, there's no more space.
we're gonna use a dropper again, and you're gonna put the
Can I pour any color?
yes, any
Make-
color.
like dates?
But okay, yes. You're gonna have a purple Christmas tree?
No, I want to make it like colorful.
Oh,
It's gonna be spreading everywhere.
don't mix the colors too much.
I want to do this cool color.
Ooh, okay. Yeah, different color. Okay, it's a rainbow tree. All right.
Oops, it almost went. Oh, it went to the blue.
Yeah, you can mix other colors too and make it a rainbow tree.
Okay, well, it's right here. I'm gonna use black, not the cool color. I think I'm gonna taste like soda.
Ooh, that's a rainbow tree.
I don't.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna put dark orange.
Interesting. Okay.
It is a hard one here.
Oh, okay. Good job.
Ooh, looks kinda
That's a
cute.
rainbow tree. How cool is that? Okay. Now, how about this cherry mold?
I want to put. I want
You're
to.
not gonna use red for the cherries? Okay.
Blue.
Blue cherry. Okay.
Is it escaping?
And you have to let it stand for a minute
Oh, I saw
before you can remove that, because it will turn into a gummy.
a gummy. But how long is it gonna take?
And I think you should put more water into this mold
I mean
right
this.
here. Yeah. No. Oh, or I mean, choose a color. Pick a color right here, down here. I
Oh,
see
yeah.
the powder.
I'm using purple.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Or more. Yeah.
I don't see any on that one. This one I did. What should I do?
Okay, so it looks like
It's
it's
hardened.
done.
Oh, look.
Right, it's a gummy now. It turned into a gummy. So you're gonna use the fork.
You push it
Yeah, you're gonna
down.
push it.
Um,
Push it down.
Oh, I didn't break it. I'm gonna have the Christmas tree.
There you go. That's a Christmas tree. Okay.
I'm gonna take the powder from here. It's
Now?
all dried up, guys. Look.
Mm-hmm. This cherry, there's still the top still is liquidy.
Yummy.
So you have to sprinkle some
I don't know
powder.
why. Can you use the
On
next
top.
one? The next one's supposed to be hardened.
Yep.
Can you pour it now?
Oh. Okay. Okay, flatten it.
Cherry.
Alright, I think the cherry is done.
It is done.
So
Can I try?
sure.
Yeah, but it's getting small and difficult. Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay, drop it in here. Drop it here.
I got it out. I got the cherry. Oh, it's stick.
It's
right.
sticky.
Oh, I got it out. Look, guys. This cherry's kind of blue. It's like blackberry. Because blackberry
Blackberry.
is kind of.
It's not even black.
It looks like blueberry.
Oh.
Oh, it's kind of sticky. I guess you need some more salt.
That doesn't look like the cherry anymore.
It looks like still a
Okay.
cherry. Next,
Okay, next, put another mold here.
doing this,
Yeah. It's a squirrel.
and then I can put
I
the
don't know.
cherry
Do we have space? Okay, you have to make sure you push it in.
until there's a watt. Oh, I dropped it. Can
Okay.
I pour it now?
Okay.
I'm gonna use orange for. I want to do the cherry. There's the squirrel.
Ooh, it's an orange squirrel.
Ooh, that's what. Cause we don't have brown. I'm gonna make it like a rainbow squirrel.
Well, we could have made brown by mixing red, blue, and yellow.
So we did that and it turned black.
Well,
Okay. Faces. Oh, I didn't miss any colors. Okay, now that needs dry up.
ooh,
And now
that's a colorful squirrel.
purple for this. Oh wow. Now the cherries, I'm not doing it the wrong color this time. This time I'm going to do red. And this time the top is going to be this color looks kind of not colorful. I'm gonna make this one gonna be orange on the top. That's why I put too much. After there's a bubble, so when there's a bubble, it will be sticky. It's sticky on the top, so I'm done with those. So we need to wait. But this color is ready, almost done. So squeeze a little more. A little more.
Okay, now let it stand for 1 minute again.
I got some. What is this called? I forgot.
Which one?
The white one.
Oh, that's the gummy powder.
The gummy
That-
powder.
yes,
I have
without
some
that-
on my hands, so I'm just gonna put it.
They won't turn into gummies.
But this one is kind of sticky. But I like this one because it looks like blueberries. Ooh.
We're making another tree.
I know that already. We just have 4 molds. The other one is gonna be a cooler one. This time, this Christmas tree is
Ooh,
green.
yay!
This Christmas tree is like a stoplight. Oh, I don't have. But I just got orange and it's gone. This one is
Oh
orange.
no.
I don't know what's happening in the world. Okay, this one is kind of messy. It's gonna take more time. But this one,
Ooh. What color is that? Like dark green?
no, it's kind of dark blue.
Hmm. You forgot to pop this out.
Oh,
I think it's ready. Not with that.
where's my fork?
Where's your fork? Oh, right here.
Oh, my fork is hiding.
Be careful. Don't break it.
I want to break it again. Take a bite.
No, look at these beautiful gummies. Is this a Christmas tree?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a squirrel, cherry.
I,
This is a squirrel
I
too.
made this one. I made the stopper one. Can we eat now?
Look, this is a perfect snowflake.
I did it. Can we eat now? Can we eat?
Yes, you may
I want to eat
eat
the Christmas.
both of them.
I want to eat this one.
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, boys. Oh, they're gone.
Yummy. Yummy. It's all with the
Within 15 seconds.
Yes.